Coconut water is a refreshing and hydrating drink that offers a range of health benefits. It is the clear liquid found inside young green coconuts and is often referred to as nature's sports drink because of its natural electrolyte content. It is an excellent source of hydration, making it a great choice for athletes and anyone who needs to stay hydrated. Coconut water is rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are natural electrolytes that help to regulate fluid balance in the body. Coconut water is also low in calories and fat-free, making it a great choice for those who want to maintain a healthy diet. It is high in fiber, which can help to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Coconut water may also help to lower blood pressure. The potassium in coconut water can help to counteract the effects of sodium in the diet, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Drinking coconut water regularly may also help to reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and reducing oxidative stress. Coconut water is also rich in antioxidants, which help to reduce oxidative stress and prevent cellular damage in the body. These antioxidants may also help to boost the immune system and protect against chronic diseases, such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease. It can improve hydration, digestion, and may help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. In conclusion, coconut water is a delicious and refreshing drink that offers a range of health benefits. When consumed as part of a balanced and varied diet, coconut water can contribute to overall health and well-being.